Lone Wolfer is doing his death-defying feat of walking across the timber for no apparent reason. On the left, waking up in the mountain. They're like, oh, time to get up. Oh crap, we missed it, everybody else is left. We're all by ourselves. Crap, let's go. Yeah, I want to rain too, damn it. Come on. You suck. I hope you become a hurricane. That dog making that noise? I thought it was some kind of siren. Oh man. No, I'm right here. Betty and Barney Hill incident. I'm not gonna read it to you guys. First, one of the new stickers. The UFO? Mm-hmm.
Hello, Elon. To begin, I am fully aware of the unconventionality of writing a letter concerning what is on the surface just another UFO story, one of the most innovative, influential, and busy men in the world. But in this instance, the risk of not attempting so may prove too substantial.
Yeah, and look at the one under it, or above it. Day and night, we're always watching.
Durden from Fight Club. So
No.
I took a bunch of.
You can put it by put one of each. Put one of each on there.
But I took a bunch of fictional characters and I made political campaigns for them.
Yeah, the cryptid campfire.
I mean, if I could glue one of my business cards here, but that.
Put a mask. Oh, I know why they lost 2 hours. It's that playground right there. They weren't abducted by aliens. They're a bunch of kids in sweatsuits. That mountainside on the left, about a quarter from the far end, there's a big butthole in it. You see it? Looks like a cat. Looks like a cat butt. It's the Catbutt in the mountain. The new tourist site. It does. It looks like the back of a cat. Meow. It's a sign from those aliens. Hey, we're gonna do this to our mountain. See if anybody notices. And then, like, you know, decades later, man, nobody's really looked up, have they? I'm just gonna park like this. Now I can just back straight up and down. GoPro, stop recording.